making a frozen, non-alcoholic butterbeer recipe from Harry Potter to cool down this summer. Hi, I'm Stephanie Anderson, and I help moms who work from home engage their kids in screen-free activities so that they can grow their businesses. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you know when I post new videos each week. So this little one celebrated a birthday this summer, and we went to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios in Hollywood. And while we were there, we were able to taste frozen butterbeer.
It was really good.
What did it taste like, Crosby?
Well, it tasted like melted ice cream.
What do you think it tasted like?
I think it tasted really good, and I was surprised that it wasn't fizzy, but it's frozen, so it probably wasn't.
In the books, Harry and his friends visit Hogsmeade, and they are able to taste butterbeer. Have you tasted butterbeer before? Let us know in the comments below. To get started with an easy, kid-friendly frozen butterbeer recipe from Harry Potter, you will need
Whipped cream, vanilla ice cream, cream soda, frozen cream soda, butterscotch or caramel syrup, and if possible, a fun Butterbeer cup from Universal Studios.
So the first step is you're going to want to take your cream soda, and to make a serving for 3, you will pour it in the ice cube trays and let it freeze. It takes about 4 hours. Then once it's finished, you're going to want to put about 1/3 of a cup of the frozen ice cubes into your blender. Then you'll add about 1.5 cups of regular cream soda. Then, since the kids don't like a lot of carbonation, we like to add a lot of ice cream. You can kind of add it to taste, but 1 big scoop is perfect. Then we'll have a tablespoon of syrup. It's best if you can get butterscotch. We just have caramel, but it's a very similar taste. That really sweetens up the drink, so just telling you. And then, because they don't like carbonation, we're gonna add a little bit of whipped cream actually inside of our blended mixture of butterbeer. All right, and then we'll blend it up, and we like to put it on Ice Crush milkshake.
Can I blend it this time?
How about we let Ashley, and then you can do the whipped cream on the end. Once it's done, pour it into glasses and enjoy. And we like to add whipped cream on the top too. Add some whipped cream. All right.
Ashley only said a little.
That's it. Cheers.
If you like this video, please subscribe.
Hit like.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Cheers!